Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the colors of basically everything from outfits to skin tone to hair. So this is where you can change the color of your skin, and then I'm just going to do this like real quick. This one's like the hair. And I'm not even gonna bother to put on a face on because I want to show you how you can actually change patterns and stuff like that. So I'm just going to use this one so you can see. So you can change two colors, this one and this one. So here you can select it from the wheel. You can go to palettes as well, or you can even just choose like patterns like this for instance. And then on the second one, again, you can choose either color or pattern, or from the wheel. If I chose a different outfit like this one, there's going to be more like previews here, so just keep that in mind. You'll be able to see like what you're changing though here. So like if I go to the next one, I can change that part and stuff like that. It is super simple actually, but yeah, it's super fun. It's a fun game that I've been playing, as you can tell. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!